Hello everyone, you are welcome to solvematics. Our today's topic is simplifying fractions. First of all, what is fraction? Fraction is all numbers that can be written in the form of a over b, where a is numerator, b is denominator. And the very important thing is b is not equal to 0 because we cannot divide a number by 0. What does simplify mean in math? Simplify means to write in a simplest form. For the topic simplifying fractions, we also need to know about HCF, which is highest common factor. Let's give an example for highest common factor. Let's find HCF of 12 and 18. So we write number 12 and 18. Then we start to divide by the number which is divisible by both of them. The smallest number is 2, as they are both even numbers. Then we get 6. 18 we divide by 2, we get 9. 6 and 9, they are both divisible by 3. We divide by 3, so we get 2 and 3. So the highest common factor of 12 and 18 is a multiple of 2 and 3, which is 6. 3 things that we need to know to understand better this topic is the fraction, the meaning of the word simplify, and HCF, which is highest common factor. Now let's solve some examples. These are the questions for this topic. I will solve some of them. The rest you will try it yourself. Question number 1. First of all, let's find highest common factor of 25 and 35. So we write 25 and 35. Both of these two numbers are divisible by 5. Then we get 5, 35 we divide by 5 and get 7. Now our highest common factor is 5, equals to 5, which means 25 can be written as a multiple of 5 and 5. 35 can be written as a multiple of 5 and 7. Now, as we have here multiplication, we can simplify this and then we get 1 and 1. If you multiply 1 by the number, you will get the number itself. So 1 times 5 equals to 5. 1 times 7 equals to 7. This is our simplest form. Number 2 is your question. In question number 3, we need to write highest common factor of 5y squared and y. 5y squared and y. We don't have any common number except 1. 1 we don't write. But we have common letter, y squared and y. They are both divisible by y. Y squared divided by y is y. Y divided by y is 1. So the highest common factor of 5y squared and y is y. Now 5y squared can be written as y times 5y. And y times 1. We simplify this 2 and then we get 5y divided by 1, which is 5y. So this is the answer for question number 3. Number 4, 5 will be your question. Let me show how to solve number 6. Highest common factor of 2x and 4y. 2x, 4y. We have 2 and 4. which are both even numbers. So let's divide both of them by 2. 2x divided by 2 equals to x. 4y divided by 2 equals to 2y. As we don't have any common number, and as we don't have any common letter, our highest common factor is 2. So 2x can be written as 2 times x, and 4y can be written as 2 times 2y. We simplify these 2, and then we get x over 2y. This is the answer for question number 6. Question number 7 and 8 is your question. Let me explain number 9. HCF of 8ab squared and 12ab. Okay, in this question, we know that number 8 and 12, they are both divisible by 4. So let's divide them by 4. Then we get 2ab squared, 3ab. Now, we don't have any common number, which is divisible by both 2 and 3. Next, we check the letter A. Letter A is common, so we divide by A. We get 2b squared, 3b. Power of b is 1. So, both of them are divisible by b. 2b squared divided by b is 2b. 3b divided by b is 3. So, our highest common factor is 4 times a times b, which is 4ab. Now, 8ab squared can be written as 4ab times 2b. And 12ab can be written as 4ab times 3. We simplify this 2, and then we get 2b over 3. This is our answer for question number 9. Number 10, 11, and 12 are your questions. In question number 11, this means you multiply 2a by 2a. Number 13, 14, and 15. Let's start to solve from number 15. This is a big mistake, as we have addition here. We cannot simplify 25 and 25. How do we solve this question? First, we add 25 and 7. We get 32 divided by 25. 32 and 25. There is not any common number, so we leave our answer as 32 over 25. If in your question will be asked to write this in a mixed number, then you change it to a mixed number. Otherwise, you can just leave it as it is. In question number 14, can we add 9x and 3? Is it equal to 12x? No, it is not equal to 12x, because one of these terms has x, the other one doesn't have. So we cannot add them. How do we solve this question? In this question, first we will find the highest common factor of 9x and 3, which is 3. So we take 3 out of the bracket. Inside the bracket, we get 3x plus 1 and over 3x. Now we can simplify them, which will be 3x plus 1 over x. This is our answer for question number 14. Let me also show how do we solve question number 13. we need to find the highest common factor of these two terms. So we write here 5x, 2x squared. They're both divisible by x. So here is 5 and 2x. So 5x plus 2x squared can be written as x times, in the bracket, 5 plus 2x over 3x. Now we can simplify them. Then we get 5 plus 2x over 3 as an answer of question number 13. Question number 16, 17, 18. They're similar to questions number 13 and 14. These questions are also similar. Number 19, 20, and 21. They're similar to question number 13 and 14. And these questions are also similar to question number 13 and 14. Question number 24. Do not forget first to open the bracket and then continue to solve as we did in question number 13 and 14.